Hi, this is King of Review. In this problem, we start with a small target that's in the shape of a small circle. And because this target was too small to hit, a larger circle was drawn around the small circle. In this problem, we're asked to find the radius of the new circle. And we're given the difference between the two circles' areas. So what they've given us is the difference between the two circle areas, which is represented by this red shaded region here. So how do we find the difference of these two circles? We have the area of the large circle minus the area of the small circle, and that's what's represented in red. And in our problem, we're given that the difference between the two circles' areas is 57 pi. What other info has been given to us in the problem? We know that the radius of the small circle is 8, and the radius of the large circle is 8 plus x. Now we can use this information to solve. How do we find the area of a circle? The formula for the area of the circle is area equals pi times the radius squared. So let's first find the area of the large circle. So we use the formula pi r squared. So pi times the radius of the large, which is 8 plus x squared, minus the area of the small circle. The area of the small circle is pi times the radius squared, which is 8 squared. And this is equal to 57 pi. Now let's solve for x. So we have 8 plus x times 8 plus x squared. So that's the 8 plus x squared minus 8 squared is equal to 57. When we work this out, we get x squared plus 16x minus 57 is equal to 0. Now you see here this is in the form ax squared plus bx minus c is equal to 0. So we can use the quadratic equation to solve. When we do that, we get x is equal to negative 16 plus or minus the square root of 16 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 57. And this is all divided by 2 times 1. When we solve for x, we get x is equal to 3 and x is equal to negative 19. Since we're talking about a radius, the negative number does not make sense. So we know that x is equal to 3 here. Now let's solve for the radius of the large circle. The radius of the large circle equals 8 plus x. And we solved for x. So we have r is equal to 8 plus 3. So the r is equal to 11. 11 is our answer. Thank you for watching.